2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 Hello all, this is 8 on a hand, level 3, and this is going to be all about accents. An accent is making one note in the music stand out from all of the rest. You're going to see a sign that looks kind of like this above certain notes in this exercise. And we're going to make that note, and only that note, loud. The higher the stick height, the louder the note. The lower the stick height, the quieter. Pro tip for you, what's going to make your accented notes stand out even more is to have a big difference between your accented notes and your non-accented notes. If our regular notes are at about this high and our accented notes, we're playing them as hard as we can and they're only up here, not much of a difference. But if we leave our accented notes at this height and we bring our non-accented notes way down here, these accents are going to pop. Now, remember, everything that we learned in levels 1 and 2 is going to apply here as well. We're going to hit the bullseye. We're going to count out loud. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... We're going to check the speed limit, make sure we're staying right with the band, the metronome, or myself. Okay, grab your sticks. Let's give this a shot. I'm going to play each round 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Second time. Third time. Last time. Round 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... Second time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 4 and 1. Third time. Last time. Round 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. Third time. Last time. you have it, 8 on a hand, level 3.